When your rug arrives, you might notice it's been folded instead of rolled. Folding helps us ship more efficiently, reduce packaging size, and lower our carbon footprint, all while keeping your rug protected in transit. Included in the packaging is a list of easy care instructions to assist you in the flattening process. After you unpack your rug, lay it flat on a rug pad, pile side up, and gently smooth it out with your hands. A good rug pad will assist not only with the protection of the rug, but will also accelerate the relaxation process. You may see some fold lines or wrinkles at first. That's normal. Most creases will relax naturally within a few days. If you'd like to help it along, try one of these simple techniques. First, reverse roll the rug in the opposite direction of the crease and leave it that way for about 24 hours. Second, place a few clean, flat, heavy objects on the fold lines for a day or two. Third, vacuum without a beater bar to help the fibers lift and settle. Avoid direct heat or aggressive scrubbing, and never refold your rug for storage. Always roll it instead. With just a little patience and care, your rug will settle beautifully and lie perfectly flat. Because when it comes to fine craftsmanship, even the smallest details matter.